Hello everyone, I am Saksham Gochar. Today I am going to explain the concept of human eye and vision defects. So see, this is what our eye looks like from outside. It is our eye which helps us to see the whole world around us. We can see everything. Our eyes help us to see. These are an integral part of our body. These are a very good gift of the nature. So let's see what is the structure of eye. See, this is our eye, and this blue part which you can see is called the iris. This differs from person to person. Like you can say that some people have brown iris, some have blue iris, like in this. Every person has different type of iris. This iris encloses a small opening which is called pupil. This pupil is the opening from where the light enters our eyes. Like the light comes and enters our pupil. Behind this there is lens and retina. So this is iris, this is pupil, and this white part is sclera. So let's move ahead. This is the side view of an eye. This was the outer part, and this is the retina of our eye, where the image forms. Here, at the outermost part is our cornea. Cornea is a thin transparent layer over the eye which protects the eye from dust or any outside particles. Between cornea and this lens and this iris, there is a fluid called aqueous humor. This fluid helps in providing nutrition to the cornea. This is very integral for our eye. Then here comes our iris, and here is the pupil. Now the light enters and it comes to the lens. The lens is a converging lens, which is a convex lens. So it converges the light to the retina and we can see. Here is vitreous humor. It is a fluid which gives shape to the eyeball. Here are our optic nerves. The image formed by the lens on the retina is inverted. So how does it get erect? Our brain intercepts the image and it transforms it into an erect image within milliseconds. Our brain is so fast. So let's move ahead. See, now this is a more clear version. See, here is the cornea, and this is the aqueous humor. This is iris. This is pupil from where the light enters. This is convex lens, and here forms the image. Now we are going to talk about the defects in our eye. You have seen some people like me. I wear spectacles. Why we wear spectacles? Because I can't see distant objects. Some people can't see objects which are near to them. So how do these defects happen in our eye and how are these cured? So this is our normal vision. Light enters, convex lens converges, and we can see a crystal clear image. But when you have myopia, this is also called farsightedness. Oh, sorry. This is also called nearsightedness. In this, we can't see the objects which are far away. In this myopia, the eyeball elongates and this image is formed behind, in front of retina. So there are two reasons for this. Or the eyeball is long, or this convex lens is so much thick that it converges the light rays before the retina. Then the second effect, it is the hypermetropia, in which people can't see objects which are near to them. So how is it happened? This is our eyeball. Normal eyeball is this. This is a shortened eyeball. The light rays come and these go far behind the retina. The image is formed here and the nearby objects are blurry. So there are two reasons for this. Or the eyeball is small or the lens is too thin that it doesn't converges to the retina. Let's move ahead. This is the third defect. This is called presbyopia. This normally happens to people who are old in age. The people when they become old, the ciliary muscles. I want to explain that. Yes, the lens. This is our lens. Here are our ciliary muscles which hold the lens. These ciliary muscles help in the stretching of lens. Like when we want to see nearby objects, these ciliary muscles contract and the lens becomes thick, which helps in converging light rays here because we need more power to see nearby objects. So here are our ciliary muscles. When we become old, then the ciliary muscles weaken up and the stretchability of the lens also decreases. So the lens can't stretch to that level. So we can't see the objects which are nearby to us, and the lens doesn't become thick enough to see the nearby objects and converge the light on the retina. That's why this happens in old age. Now, this is another type of defect. This is called cataract. This also happens usually in old age, but sometimes it happens early also. What happens in this? Like this is a normal eye. There is no defect in this. And this is an eye with a cataract. The cornea which is the outer layer, the transparent layer on the eye, it becomes blurry. It is having some dust particles, or you can say it becomes blurry. So it can be cured through surgery. And what happens? In normal eye, light converges on the retina. In a cloudy lens, it becomes cloudy. So it is obvious that if the lens is cloudy, it can't converge. So let's move ahead. Thank you. Bye.